Hi there, my name is Seva, and I'm the co-founder of ABC Digital Downloads app for Shopify, the easiest way to sell downloadable digital products and files on your Shopify store. In this video, I'll walk you through the settings page of our app to get familiarized with a couple of settings that we have in order to customize the app to your needs. To get started, go ahead and click on Settings here in the left-hand sidebar, and you'll be greeted by our Settings menu. First, we have our General Settings. This allows you to select the date format and time format for your orders. So when you go to the orders page and select an order, this will be that format for the date and time that you see here. We can also automatically fulfill items on the order that have been connected to a file. So in this case, if we have an order that comes in that's a digital product, that order will be automatically marked as fulfilled as the digital file was sent out to the customer automatically. Under File Access Rules, we have the ability to show the download link directly on the thank you page, as you can see here. And we have the ability to show the download link on the order status page. When the customer goes to check their orders, they'll see the download links here below. And we can go ahead and enable those and disable those as you would like. Next, under downloads, we have settings to customize the way that your files are able to be downloaded. First, we can set an IP limit. And this is how many different IP addresses can download each file. So we're able to set a limit here, or just leave it blank for unlimited. Under download limit, we can also set a limit for how many times a file can be downloaded in general. We have the ability to restrict downloads to the billing country, so it would only allow downloads from the same country as the order's billing address, and this helps prevent unauthorized access to your digital products. We can block download emails for fraudulent orders, so if Shopify suspects that an order is fraudulent or high risk, it'll block the ability to send those download links and show them on the thank you page, order status page, and via email. Next, we can configure the custom email settings, and this will allow you to set a custom domain from where your email confirmations get sent out from with your download links, and we have a separate video to go over that. Underneath custom email settings, we have our email templates. These are the templates that get sent out when a file is either purchased or updated with new content. And if we want to edit these, we can just go ahead and click over here on Edit Template. And here on this page, we can actually change the wording, the font, add additional things like our logo to the emails that get sent out to the user automatically once they purchase a file. And we can do the same thing for our file updated email, which gets sent out if a file is updated that's connected to a product. Under PDF templates, this gives us the ability to add PDF stamping to PDF products that we sell. And just as an example, we can see the PDF stamping here applied on a digital PDF product that we have for sale. And we have another video going over those settings. And that's the setting page of ABC Digital Downloads. Happy selling.